for last couple of weeks I was vibe coding this Blender plugin that allows me, by using several photos taken in this case of my son's bedroom, synchronize them one with each other and create in common 3D space. As you can see in this case, this wall, for example, it matches all the pictures quite well, and these two shelves, you can see I did some quick projection mapping on them, and I can use it, for example, in cases like this. So this is a couple shots from Mandalorian and Grogu movie, and I was playing hard to synchronize them without any additional details. You can see this one doesn't work well. Anyway, so that I can get accurate reference of this lens speeder that I want to develop model.